Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. I'm back. I'm back. What's up? What's up, everyone? How are we doing this fine Friday evening? All right. Well, I have studied a decent amount this week. Not as much as I probably should have, but we out here. Let's see. Play some Catan. Yo, what's up, Sammy? Yo, what's up, Krish? Oh, I'm first. Yo, what's up, everyone? Yo, Ranil, what's up? Okay, let's see. I'm first position. 8, 5, 10 looks pretty juicy. Ooh, no, what am I saying? 5, 9, 10, obviously. And then we just go right, I think, right? I feel like it has to be that. 6, 5, 12, 4. Yeah. Yo, what's up, everyone? As you could probably tell from the title, I passed the interview somehow. So now we're taking a little break. I just wanted to come hang out for a bit, say what's up. Let me know in chat what you want us to do. I don't really have any plans per se. I'm just going to be chilling mostly. But I do know it's Friday night, so people might have stuff to do. Honestly, probably not watching me means you're doing well on your Friday night. But here I am with really nothing to do except hang out with all of you and play some games and just chill. Sammy, yeah, this is a game. It's called Catan. Someone asked me last time too. Let me show you. So yeah, it's just basically this game called Catan. I mean, the full name is Settlers of Catan. How do I explain what this is? I guess you could just read it here. A strategy board game involving smart resource management. You're basically trying to build a settlement on this map. And it's the person who wins is the first to, I think it's 10 victory points. And you get victory points by doing certain things like building houses or cities or getting the longest road or getting development cards. It's a pretty fun game. It's, I think, one of the few board games that has a decent amount of strategy involved. A lot of board games are like luck, or if you just like roll the dice incorrectly, you just get destroyed. I mean, this one also has a little bit of luck. You have to roll dice and stuff, but I think strategy and trading. I think trading is what makes this game very interesting. It's like poker, right? Like poker, of course, if you have better cards, you're going to win, but you also have to play the people and the board. And so in this game, you can trade resources, and that usually makes a really big difference. So yeah, what's up, Coding HK? What's up, Marcus? What did they ask me? Okay, so obviously I can't tell you the exact question, but it's not one of those. It wasn't one of those interviews where, and I knew this. It wasn't one of those interviews where you walk in, and they're like, "All right, let's do two sum in leet code," and then you just like do it. It was one of those more real programming interviews, which I actually enjoy, right? It was like a real code base. There were some to-do statements, and it was basically like, hey, imagine you're working here, and this is your task. Do it. And you can look up anything on ChatGPT or Google, or you can ask the interviewer for help. You can look at other code snippets, get inspired by how the code is written other places. And since I don't know that much Java, I had to look around a lot. I was like, oh, the line above it does this exactly. So I guess I'll just copy paste that and change something a little bit. And so it was one of those more like practical interview questions, which I think is a lot better in terms of signal. It actually tells you if someone knows what they're doing because, like, let's be honest, you can memorize data structures and algorithms, but on the actual job, you're just writing code. So it was a lot of like, interacting with the database and APIs and doing like some state management and some logic and breaking stuff into helper functions. So it was really practical. It was actually kind of fun. I will be honest though, I didn't know any Java, so I was literally over there looking up like how to convert this to this and how to do this and this. And I might have looked really stupid, but I told the interviewer straight up, I was like, look, I'm gonna be honest. Like I haven't written Java in like 5 years, so if I'm writing code that looks like Python, hopefully you know why. Okay, let's see. So, Sammy, one of the things you want to do in this game that usually gives you an advantage is you want to have all the different as many resources as you can, and you want the dots over here tell you how 9, 10, 11, and block red. Where is it? 9, 10, 11. Does that give me every resource? It actually does. Honestly, that's not a bad placement. The brick isn't great, but I could also go 5, 4, 11. But I already have. Yeah, I think honestly this is not a bad placement. And I guess was I first? Yeah. So then we go right or left. Sorry, because I want some more ore. So basically, you want these dots basically tell you how likely it is for that dice to roll. So the more dots means that it's a higher chance that the number is going to roll. And the number is basically the addition of these two. So like 4 plus 2 is 6. So everyone who had a 6 gets that resource. And I don't have any 6. I don't really get any resource. I can't really do much right now. But yeah, it was a more practical. Risk is a great game. Oh, I love Risk. Risk is goated. But yeah, Katana is really fun. Will you be working with Java on the job now? Okay, to be very. One sec. So I don't have the job yet. Like I don't think I jumped the gun. Like I just passed one interview. You guys probably know in the job market you have to do hella interviews. So this was like round 1. And to be very honest, like I don't know. We'll see if we pass the rest and stuff. There's going to be like an on-site and system design and all this stuff that you have to do. So I'm not there yet by any means. We just passed the first one, which for me was already a lot because, as I said, I haven't done Java in so long. So the fact that I could hack together something after a couple of days of just practicing was pretty good. But yeah, Katana's really good. What other board games do you guys like? I got really into chess over COVID. I played a lot of chess for a while. But, let's see. What do I want? Do I want to go to a port or do I want to go up? I feel like I might want to go up for a bit. I kind of want to get this. But do I fight him for it? Do I just wait? You know what? If I get a wheat and a wood, I could just get that port. But he's getting so many resources. Yeah, I got into chess a lot over COVID. Ooh, wait a second. If I just get 1 wheat now, I just need a 10 to roll. Or if I can trade for it. Okay, I just tested the muting capability and I coughed hella. So tell me in chat if you heard the cough or you didn't. Because I'm still trying to figure out all this streaming stuff. Ooh, wait a second. Wait, what? Who is this? Damn, wait, no, don't give this to him. Oh, someone accepted it? What is this? Oh my god. Oh, okay, he had to. Oh, he's gonna get it, isn't he? Wait, what? He just risked it? Wait, I can still build there. What? Okay, that was interesting. Chess is my current favorite, but I also like Monopoly. Monopoly's goated. I played Monopoly Deal for the first time. That game is really fun too. Yo, Coding HK, I appreciate it, but I'm gonna tell you right now, one of my biggest weaknesses is system design. That stuff is insanely hard. So yeah, hopefully I get it. Obviously, this company is really cool. I would love to work there, so hopefully it works out. Ooh, wait a second. Can I get a wheat? No. I want wheat. Please. Please, someone give me wheat. Please. 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 Plus, 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 plus. Oh, wait, what? What happened? Wait, do it. Red accepted it. Did no one want it? I thought I saw red accepted it. But yeah, and then also like, there's also so many coding interviews I fail. Like I try to tell everybody, it's just a numbers game, right? The more interviews you do, the better you're gonna get, and the more you're gonna pass. So that's just how this stuff works. Damn, no one's responding to my trades, man. I guess we go up. I don't know what else to do. Do I just hold this? I feel like I don't just hold this, right? Maybe I do hold it. Damn, that sucks. Let me read this chat. I don't think APIs are hard. I love them. You make a request. Yeah, APIs are great. Also very important. And there's also been so many companies that have come out with an API that has made such a difference. Like you guys probably checked out the Notion API. So now literally you can right now connect to Notion and do stuff to make it better for you. I mean, that's so cool. Like the whole idea of an API is so cool. Like I don't know whoever came up with that, but it's a game changer. Ooh, wait a second. I would do this actually. Oh yes. Give it to me. Give it to me right now. Give it to me right now. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. I accepted it. I literally accepted it. No. Bro, I just want a wheat. Is that so much to ask? Jimmy Jim, watch the channel since less than 20k subs. What the heck is this live stream? This is me just enjoying my Friday evening after, let's be honest, I didn't study that hard, but you know, I did some prep this week, and I also traveled to Houston, and that was kind of tiring. Yo, I just want a wheat. Who has wheat? I think, does Blue have wheat? Yes, finally. Oh, but now I don't have wood. Oh my God. I played myself. Do I just build here and give up that port? What if I give this for wood? That's juicy because no one else has ore. So yeah, Jimmy Jim, I'm just chilling. But hey, I mean, we can talk about whatever you guys find interesting. I'm happy to answer questions. We can talk about coding. We can just hang out. I can play another game. I'm mostly just chilling. I wanted to come just hang out. I also want to get better at streaming. Just to interact with all of you more. And I think this is a kind of a fun way to do that. I'm also going to be live streaming all my interviewing and stuff, so don't worry, it's not going anywhere. It's just damn, I want wood. Okay, I'll do this. We have to do it fast. So probably, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I'm probably going to study a little bit over the weekend. I'll probably live stream a little bit. I literally cannot do that. No, oh my God, I ran out of time. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, if the robber hits now, I'm so screwed. Yo, what's up, OG Data? What's up, Sid? What was the question? Well, I can't remember the exact question. Oh my God, I have so many cards now. Oh, he took it. Now there's going to be a robber and watch me just take the L, bro. This is so sad. Okay. Pray for me. I knew. Oh, that hurts my soul. That literally hurts my soul. I gotta give up one more card? I don't even know what's... I guess or right? That is so sad. I don't know what to say. Alright, well, let's build here first of all. And then I guess we just wait. I love the stream. Sorry I missed some. Yo, absolutely no worries. You don't have to apologize. Yo, just come whenever you're all free. Come when you feel like it. It's hopefully just good vibes. We're just hanging out. Literally no pressure. I think it would be cool, though. I'm going to say it on stream live right now because, you know, you got to set goals. I think it would be cool at some point to have 100 concurrent viewers, which I think we actually hit on my first stream here, probably because it was so new. Oh, where do we want to put city? City. Let's put... here, I guess. I don't know. That seems fine, I guess. And then maybe what, like at some point, 1,000 concurrent would be insane. I mean, that's just so many people. That'd be cool. It'd just be a party. Imagine 1,000 people in here just like chilling, chatting. That'd be so fun. Jimmy Jim, I'm on track to get an MBA at 21. Thinking of going to fintech. Yo, that's crazy. Congrats. MBA at 21. That's crazy. When did you even graduate college? And how did you do that? I'm so curious. Fintech is popping. I will say it is a little overhyped these days. And you probably saw with the market and the recession and stuff, a lot of fintech companies it was a bubble. They kind of crashed. I'm not saying fintech is going anywhere. I think fintech is really, really cool. It's also really cool technology, and I really enjoyed learning about payments. I mean, think about it. When you swipe your credit card, so much stuff just magically happens. And when you work at a fintech company, especially on engineering or even on product, you learn what's actually going on, which I think is super interesting. But it's the age of AI, so there's so many AI companies that are doing really cool stuff too. What is this? Do I want that? No, it doesn't really help me. Yo, what's up, Ismail? Silent viewer here, but congrats on the interview. Thank you, thank you. Hopefully, I didn't jinx myself because I just made this and I was like, I passed the interview, which is true. I passed one of the interviews, but remember, there's gonna be like, I don't know, 5 more or something. So we'll see what happens. Damn, who traded? Okay, 3 for 1. I need a port, I think. I need brick. Of course, I don't get brick. Will someone give me brick? Brick is pretty rare. No, actually, brick isn't rare. What the hell? There's so many 6s. Maybe I should have actually put it on this one. Though low key, if I can build to this wood port, I'm kind of goated. Blue. Blue. Sure. I wanted to cut off red because I don't want red to accidentally go there. I'm in college. I'm learning Python at first. I switched to Java. I want to start doing language, but I don't know if it will be hard to switch languages. Yo, if you're just doing like data structures and algorithm interviews, I think Python is the way to go. That's still what I would do right now. Actually, that is still what I code in. Like when I do DSA interviews, I do it in Python. This company just had a practical interview in Java, so I had to sharpen my skills a tiny bit. But yo, what's up, Chander? Congratulations. Thank you. Once again, though, we have to pass the rest of these, so I don't want to celebrate too early. But if I get this job or a job, it's gonna be a party. We're gonna live it up for a bit. You gotta celebrate. You gotta celebrate the wins. Can I please get some brick? Yo, what's up, Oscar? Thank you. Yeah, I'm more satisfied that what is this? Ooh, that's not a bad deal actually. No, but my thing is, let's do like. I'll give you that for, I don't know. No, I don't want sheep. I don't know, wheat maybe. I don't even want wheat. I don't even know what I want. Maybe sheep. How many interviews in total? Yo, what's up, J Blue guy? Green. I can road and settle plow you. What? Why did you tell me that? I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. Yo, it's a Herschel. Oh my god, no, please. Why? That's so sad. Alright, I guess we're going the other way then. But see, now I have so much sheep for... Actually, wait, I could have 2 ports up there, actually. That's not that bad. 5 more interviews? Yeah, so I think the way it works is I did the first round, and then usually with these companies, you go from phone screen, which is the first round, to on-site. And then on-site used to be, it's literally called on-site because back in the day pre-COVID, they would fly you, put you in a hotel, you'd show up to the office, you'd do like, I don't know, 2 or 3 interviews, and then, oh damn, orange is kind of killing it. I should start blocking orange. And then you would, you do like 2 or 3 interviews, and then you get lunch with the team, and then you do 1 more interview, and then maybe they take you to dinner, and it was really fun because you get to like work with your team in person, and that was like kind of dope. Let's get some devs. But these days, because it's COVID, everything is virtual, but it's still like 3 or 4 interviews. Usually 1 system design, 1 coding, 1 like behavioral, and then maybe like a chat with the CEO. I don't have ore. I gotta move this ASAP. Jesus, you see this? I have so many sheep now. What am I gonna do with this? I guess I go to the sheep port. I have to. That's so sad. Please no robber. Please no robber. Please, 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 please. Yo, what's up, Toast Dev? Jimmy Jim, a relaxing vibe. Thank you. That makes me so happy. I just kind of want to chill, you know? Like, look, here's the thing. I'm going to be doing this anyway. Like, if I didn't have this camera on and the mic, I would be playing Catan or watching videos or, you know, just messing around on a Friday evening / night. But if I can do it with all of you, well, then that's chill, right? We can just like vibe. And I think that's super fun. I need to figure out what we can do together though, because I'm pretty new to all this. And they keep like sending me these like, oh my God, oh my God, this is so sad. I guess we don't need all this, right? Again, I know. So let's go here. And let's steal from red. And then let's play this. And then let's go here. And let's steal from orange. Oh, that's sick. So now I can go here. And then I can settle, right? That's nice. That was a power move. Oh my God, I have so much wood now. So, yeah. Nothing. Let's change this to, actually, I don't know, would that even help me? I don't even know what I'm trying to do. I want some wood or some brick. Orange or red. I think we go with red. And then we want to build here. And then if I can do that, I'm like in pretty good shape. But how are you all, what are you all up to on this Friday? Or I guess it depends where you're in the world. It might be Saturday morning. What are you guys up to? What are you doing? What are you eating? What are you watching? Oh, but yeah, I lost my train of thought. What I was trying to say was, I'm not sure what we can do together. Because I want to play music. I want to watch some stuff. But I don't want to get copyright striked. And they're kind of scaring me with all this. So I feel like other streamers do whatever they want. But maybe I'm too small. Or maybe I have to figure out what we can do. Maybe it can't just be like really famous shows or something, right? Maybe it can just be like other YouTube videos. I've got to figure that out. But otherwise, yeah, just vibing. But yeah, what are you all up to on this fine Friday? Except for hanging out with me. What are you doing? What are you watching? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Damn, I get no brick, but that makes sense because it's at an 11. And if I get Robert again, I'm actually going to lose my mind. Like, I'm serious. I want to watch something. Maybe we could react to something. Yeah, I mean, if you have any ideas, let me know. I am down. What is this? This for that? No. I can't trade with anybody. I'm at risk for the Rabba. Question for you. I went to the community college route to save because I knew I was going for an MBA, graduating in the spring, and I have 4.0, so I don't balance prestige. Now I have to balance the prestige of the college and debt. Oh my goodness. Okay. Jesus, I have so many. So I guess the first thing we can do is we can city something. All right, let's convert this to this. Oops. Wait, why can't I 2-for-1 with the bank? I can, yes, please give me that. So we can go here. Then I can do, maybe convert both of these. Wait, do I want city or do I want, ooh, maybe I want a city. Okay, I'm in pretty good shape. Hope y'all feel better. Just chilling, I got the flu. Oh no, I'm sorry. Playing FF7 for the first time and had Hawaiian food for dinner. Ooh, wait, what's Hawaiian food like? What exactly? I've been to Honolulu. I spent a month there actually. That was super fun. Wait, can I just win if I get longest? I don't even know what's going on. I'm barely paying attention. I'm mostly just vibing with you. What's FF7? Is that? Wait, it's not FIFA, is it? Also, we're at FIFA like 20 something, so it can't be FIFA. But yeah, what Hawaiian food did you get? So yeah, I was in Honolulu. Ate a lot of poke. I tried some like Kahlua pork and stuff, but I wasn't a big fan. But dude, I mean, love the state. Love Oahu. I want to go back. Waikiki. I mean, I was just like surfing on Wednesdays. I was just vibing out. It was so nice. It was so nice. But yeah, let me know. I'm actually down to watch something if you guys give me any suggestions. We can watch something on YouTube. We can react. Ooh, wait, is that game? Now it'll be a 7. Did you actually pass? Yeah, I passed the first round. They have to get back to me about additional interviews, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, passed the first round. Ooh, 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 blue. Blue is doing the most, I would say. I think blue is definitely winning. I think we need to. What do we need to do? Block his. I think wheat, right? That's what's gonna give him cities. Mr. Kapur is one step closer to being employed. Yes. Ooh, Final Fantasy VII. Nice. It was white rice with katsu chicken and some other chicken. Oh, that sounds so good. My goodness. We gotta steal from blue because blue is kind of crushing it right now. How do I win this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hash browns versus a good try not to laugh would be good. Oh, that's funny. I'm actually down. Which ones do you guys like? Or if you throw, can you put links in the chat? I'm not sure. Maybe you can. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to. But yeah, if you're gonna throw a link or tell me which one, I'm down. We can try. I will say, I mean, I've never done like laughing in front of the camera, so I might be just like, because it's like it's kind of hard to laugh when there's some pressure. But if it's actually funny, I will laugh. GG Green, GG. Yeah, it's GG. I'm sorry, everyone. Let's just do this for fun. Hey, let's go. Yo, passed the interview, won the first game of Catan. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. My brother goes to Cornell and said all the CS grads are having trouble getting jobs, so they're all going into startups. I mean, the market is a little tough right now. Oh, I guess the new season has started, so I guess we're doing ranked games or something now. All right, I don't want to do this. Can we go back to the home, please? Home. Colonist.io. Karan, yeah, I passed the first round interview, but there's gonna be more rounds, so we'll see. We'll see if I pass the rest. What was the thumbnail? I think I just made it. I kind of forget what I even did on the thumbnail. It was just a Java interview, right? Where's my... Oh, yeah. It was the message that I passed. That's funny. Hey, Namanh, do you live in New York City? Humair, yeah, I do. I live in Manhattan. Produced by Max O. It's a software engineering role. Yeah, it's like a back-end software engineer. Chanderval, let me try to study a little. I'm not a talented developer like you. No, please, all of you gas me up too much. I want to come clean about this. Like, it's so easy for me to make. I mean, it's not easy. Like, I make videos, and all of you watch, and you're like, oh my god, this guy knows what he's doing. Oh my god, how can I get there? And like, I'm trying to tell you, like, I barely know what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best. I'm learning from other people. It's like that Isaac Newton quote, like, standing on the shoulders of giants. So I'm just like you, watching YouTube videos, looking at what staff engineers are doing, talking to my friends, people that are way smarter than me, just trying to learn from them. So if you ever watch me and you're like, oh my god, Namanh has got it all figured out. Like, I don't. I swear. I feel like an imposter every day. I have so many issues, so many problems. We're all just out here trying our best, I've applied to like 400 in a month and a half, 4 interviews. Nada. It wasn't like that 1 year ago. Yeah, it was It was definitely much better during the pandemic in like 2020, in like in the good old days. I burned my finger in the air fryer. All right, we don't have to do a try. We don't have to do a try not to laugh. I'm already laughing. I'm in my final year of CS and I have my final interview on Monday in Python. Yo, Humer, bro, good luck. Let us know how it goes. Rooting for you. Okay, let's try not to laugh. Okay, let's see. I think KSI ones are super funny. I don't know if you guys have watched those. Try not to laugh. 3 weeks ago.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy.
Damn, have you guys seen this? Their YouTube can now tell when you have an ad blocker.
KSI, how are we all doing? I'm back recording another.
Also, let me know if you guys can hear this. If you can't, then I'll I don't know. We'll try to debug it.
The video, yes, I know my video content or output has been quite low, and that's just because I'm training really hard, guys, for this fight.
Wait, did you guys see the memes of like someone threw coffee on him? I saw it. Oh yeah, you see this?
I'm excited. And I'm excited. You sign the contract or no? That's pussy stuff.
Yeah.
Want to choke you out right now?
No, you don't need to.
No, yeah.
Fight can knock you out.
You gonna do it right now?
What, right now?
Do that right
One little slap.
Yeah, no more. Let's do that. Oh, shit!
Like the man literally threw. All the articles said hot coffee. It wasn't hot, obviously. I mean, KSI would be burned. It was cold, like iced coffee, but he literally threw it on him. But I don't know. I'm so skeptical these days of all this online stuff that I'm like, was it planned? Like, was KSI like DM'd him like, yo, dude, throw this shit so we can act like there's beef? Or did he actually do it? Like, I can't even tell. Even the Logan Paul stuff, like Dylan's posting all these pictures on Twitter. Like, how much of it is sensationalized so that you all pay for the pay-per-view and watch it and they all get rich? And how much of it is actual beef? I don't know. But I mean, he threw coffee, so I don't know how I feel about that. You think it's legit, really? I don't know. I guess. I mean, look, it looks real. I just don't know. I mean, even think about like the whole Logan Paul and KSI. Like they were beefing, and now they have Prime together. It's like maybe. I mean, no one can be that smart, right? That you anticipate like 2 years of beef. You have the foresight to know it's a business decision, but I don't know. I mean, all these big celebrities, they kind of do this for a living. They have all these like PR teams and stuff. So majority of it is actual beef. Logan sent out a lawsuit about the pictures. But even now, like even with a lawsuit, I'm like, I don't know. I have a hard time believing. I've kind of lost faith in the internet. And with this whole AI and deepfake stuff, it's like I don't even know what to believe anymore. But anyway, KSI got coffee thrown on him.
Tommy Fury. But talking about fights, we have Misfits 009. Yes, it's a huge card. Idris Virgo is facing Aaron Chalmers. We also got the return of FaZe Temper. He's fighting. How do you not notice your wife leaving the car? Also, the violation at the end. The funny batch for us to react to, and they're normally quite good. Let's see how funny this batch really is, Mo.
You know why I pulled you over?
Because I'm black?
Yeah. No.
Cold brew to the face. Are you watching the fight? Probably not. I mean, I'm not that super into boxing, and like I don't know. It's like whatever to me. I'll watch the clips later, I guess. Also, I'm not paying. I mean, how much is it? I'm curious. Like, what is it? Dylan Dennis versus Logan Paul. Like I don't know price. Like, how do you figure out what is it? What is it? A 90? Yeah, like I'm not paying $55 to watch two random people fight. Like, I mean, just no way. How much are they gonna make though? I want to know. He's getting no. What's this? How much money will they make? Blah blah blah. Okay, here we go. Paul was guaranteed $250 against this. 10% of the pay-per-view. Yeah, like I'm not paying $55. I mean, I'm not doing that. Is it really $20? No, it's not. It's 20 pounds. 55. I guess you can get you can get a DAZN monthly subscription for $25. Okay, sure. So if you get a subscription, you can pay only 25. But yeah, I mean the answer is no. I'm not watching this for sure. What I am watching, though, I don't know if people watch cricket. India versus Pakistan. But see, the problem with this is, like, it's at 3:30 a.m. my time. So, like, am I going to wake up and watch it live? No. But also, it's India versus... I mean, I don't know how many cricket fans there are, but that's like the matchup. I'm trying to think of what other sports has such a big matchup. Like, I don't know. Brazil versus Argentina in soccer, like FIFA World Cup. So, like... Phoenix plays it. You're going to wake up, really, for the match? I might wake up, too. 3:30, though, is like... Is that even waking up, or do I just stay up until 3:30? And then just take the L and get no sleep? I mean, that sounds horrible, so... Yeah, India-Pakistan is a classic. I agree. I know. I should watch it live. Okay, I'll watch it live. You've convinced me. I'm watching it live. But yeah, I'm pretty hyped about this. This was the preview. Sorry I'm all over the place. We'll come back to the funny ones. I kind of want to...
Joy. Power.
Respect. Like motivational stuff. Respect.
Anguish. Pride.
Let's go, Bumrah. This guy's a
Bravery. Glory. Wonder.
Okay, this is literally just a motivational video.
The full range of Navrasa will be on display. It's time for India versus
Narendra
Pakistan.
Modi Stadium. Huh. They named it after the Prime Minister. Alright, let's watch some more of this.
Oh, no. Your wife fell out of the car about a mile back.
What?
Huh? How do you not know your wife?
Wonder was so quiet.
How do you not notice your wife leaving the car? Also, the violation at the end being like, no wonder it was so quiet. It's just, that was a bit outrageous, but got that emo haircut. Oh!
Whoa. What happened to his...
What the?
Is that foundation? Do you see that?
What?
Wait. His forehead is definitely not that color. Like, that's some makeup for sure. Also, this is kind of strange. I'm like reacting to KSI, reacting to funny stuff. It's like a reaction square. Inception.
What the? What?
The R word hurts my feelings.
I'm actually really excited to see this.
Why is he excited?
I got something right here. It's called "That's in the R word," because it's not cool to use it.
He's on the wrong fucking side.
What? Swap the jokes?
What series is this?
What do 9 out of 10 people enjoy? Gang rape.
Oh!
Ew, this is like not funny at all. What?
Oh my god.
Yep, prep yourself. Get up.
Hold on. Fuck. It's this shoe.
Alright, this is like not funny. Is there any other ideas? Try not to laugh. I won't do the KSI one. Just do it like a... Try not to laugh. You laugh, you lose. You laugh, you restart. What? So what is this? It looks like a potato. Oh, Mr. Beast does these? That's crazy. Why does Mr. Beast do try not to laugh? I would watch longer, but it's 3 a.m. for me, so yeah. Yo, Prismac, good night, man. Good night, sir. Alright, I'm not really a fan of these. I'ma be honest. I'ma be. This thumbnail is actually kind of good. Nice. Try mine, Namanh. Which one's yours? OG Data. Did you? Let me go up. Oh, Jimmy Jim asked, do you make enough with this YouTube channel to not need another job, or do you like having another job as a sense of stability or purpose? That's a good question. I thought about this. Because when I left my previous job, I was like, oh, what if I just do YouTube and like, be creative and stuff? And I think what I enjoy is when this creative thing is like creative. But once you have to start paying rent and feeding yourself, then it starts feeling like a business. And there's a lot of pressure to make like clickbaity content and the content with like the highest CPM or whatever. And I can't just like make content I want to make anymore. And so I like to have a day job where all the bills are paid through that. And then I can kind of be creative on this channel and make my best content. So that's kind of the answer to that. 130K seating capacity in that cricket ground. Oh, nice. Wait, that's so many people. It's probably going to be packed, right? One of the things that I've never watched a cricket game in real life, I think. So that's on the bucket list. I think my dad would really enjoy it too. So I'd love at some point to go to India and watch like a cricket game like in Delhi with my dad. I think that'd be sick. And I think he would cherish that memory. Cricket is politics for Pakistani and Indian uncles. Yeah, I mean, that's facts. Okay, this song, okay, not this song, but I don't know if you guys know the local train. I've been listening to their song Chulo. Okay, I can speak Hindi, I promise. I said that with an accent. Aap ye chulo. Basically like touch this, right? Chulo, or yeah. This song is a banger, but I can't play it because YouTube gets angry at me when I play music that's copyrighted. But this song, fire. So good. Oh, you guys saw Speed is in India right now? Did you see that? That's crazy. This guy's doing like the whole world traveling. Look, he's in Delhi. Look, 100,000 views per hour. That's crazy. MC Stan. Who's MC Stan? Yo, he's a cricket jersey. Maybe he'll go to the cricket match tomorrow, India versus Pakistan. Actually, I don't know why he wouldn't do that. That seems like a good thing to do. Oh, look, he played cricket. He's probably going to the match tomorrow, honestly. Damn, how much content did he make in one day? Look at this. He posted in Speed Universe. He posted in Live Speedy. He posted in Speed Universe again in iShow Speed. Damn, man is going off. Ooh, wait, 20 versus 1 Speed is actually a really good video. Really? But I feel like, am I going to get canceled?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Welcome to what might be the greatest 20 versus 1 ever. I Show Speed is the worldwide streaming phenomenon everyone is talking about. Especially because he can't even score in a Sidemen charity match. But anyway, we've put him in the same room as 20 beautiful women. Does he know how to talk to them? Probably not. But the Sidemen will guide him towards true love or absolute disaster. But before we get into the video, can we please ask you to subscribe? We do so many amazing videos and we've set the goal at 20 million by the end of the year.
When the Sidemen ask you to subscribe, I mean, it's like, homie, you have like 19 million subscribers. It's like when I say subscribe, hey, all of you, please subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get to 1,000 Instagram followers. And I think I post some pretty fire videos, so you should follow me on Instagram. It actually matters because like when you follow me on Instagram, it goes from 820 to 821. We actually get closer to 1,000. But when you have 19 million subscribers, like I know every subscriber counts, but I mean, that's crazy though. Wait, they had 19? Wait, did they already get to 20 million in how many days? So it actually worked. Wait, what? Let me go back to this.
But before we get into the video, can we
How much did they have?
Ask you to subscribe? We do so.
They had 19.4 yesterday? Or no, 11 days ago. Wait, they got 600,000 subscribers in 11 days? Imagine if I could do that. That'd be crazy. Yo, Phoenix, how do I get VPH? Yeah, I have, I don't know which one it is. I think it's this one, right? VidIQ, the free. I don't pay for it, but the free VidIQ. Not subscribed. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. I think there's like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. They both do the same thing. I'm on the free tier. I don't actually pay for it, but in the free tier they give you some little stuff like VPH, I guess some green symbol if it's monetized, like all this stuff. This like little thing on the side tells you. Yo, thanks. Follow my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. You know, just a shameless plug. I'll throw it in here again. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. I just started on the Insta grind. I don't know, a month ago maybe. But I was like, how do I interact with all of you? Like, I mean, I can respond to your comments, but like, let's be honest, YouTube community posts, like, nobody's interacting with that. But on Insta, you know, you can see my stories, you can respond, and some of you in chat might have actually DM'd me, and you should vouch that I actually respond. So many of you DM me, and I'll actually respond. Someone asked me how good is my Hindi. Phoenix, my Hindi is, I think, pretty good. I'll speak a little bit right now. I think the problem is though, it's like very formal Hindi. It's very formal Hindi, so I definitely sound like I'm not from India. Like I don't know the swear words, I don't know the slang. Like जब मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ, मैं हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से बोलता हूँ. Like आपका नाम क्या है? Hanji. You know, so it's like I don't say tu, I say aap. And so when I go to India and I talk, they can all tell like I'm not from there. You know, even though I was born in Delhi, like I'm literally Indian. I was born in Delhi. I had an Indian passport. I became a U.S. citizen recently, so I have a U.S. passport now. But I used to have an Indian passport, so I'm like very Indian. Yo, what's up, Oculus? Yo, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching the content. Syed, backend versus iOS development. I have never written a single line of Objective-C or what's the other one? Xcode? I think Objective-C and Xcode. So I've never done iOS. I've only really done backend or full stack, I guess, and a little bit of front end. Namanh, search Bilwal Bhutto. He talks in Hindi just like you. Really?
So many.
I'm so scared of googling stuff now because last time someone said something in chat and I said it like 8 times and it turned out to be one of those things which sounds not good when you say it loud, you know? Oh yes, Swift, not Xcode. Sorry, yes, Swift and Objective-C. I've never written those. Bilwal Bhutto. Who's this? Brute India. All right, that's a real source.
You foresee any kind of rise in tensions?
Bro, YouTube, I'm using an ad blocker. Can you chill, please?
Because Pakistan is in a vulnerable situation.
He's gonna speak in English, I think. Right?
Are we in?
Just now he made that by stakeout.
Oh, okay. Well, that I disagree.
Oh, well, that I disagree. British.
और ये जो बातचीत हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं,
Oh, this is Hindi. Let's see.
पहले बातचीत रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा बताएं, ये हम बातचीत ऐसे वक्त रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं जब एडजेक्टिव्स यूज होते हैं.
वो ऐसे जो एक्शंस लिए गए वो काफ़ी संगीन थे और जब तक उनको रिव्यू.
Okay, well he speaks better than me because I don't know what sangeet hai means. I know hai, but I don't know sangeet. Sangeen hai. But yeah, I get it. He talks like a foreigner. But I'm not a foreigner. I was literally born in India. I'm Indian. I'm Indian, everyone. I'm Indian. I'm proud of my nation, of Bharat. I'm proud of Bharat. Bharat Bhagyavidata Punjab Sindh. That's it. I don't really know the national anthem though, so I should probably stop there. Just practice. Repetition is key with languages. True. I agree. Checking my email because I'm addicted. Search his about jab barish aata hai to pani aata hai. Interesting. Alright, should we play another game? Try Not to Life Boxing Edition. Overnight inside the world's largest potato. That's wild. What is everyone watching on TV these days, by the way? I need some inspiration. I've been told White Collar is really good, but I think I'm late to the game. Apparently that was like the thing to watch a couple years ago. I mean, I'm still gonna watch it, but let me know if you have other recs. Dude, my YouTube is so jank. Like, what are these recs? I've been listening to so much Hindi music though. Like there's so many songs like stuck in my head. How long it actually takes to burn off a Big Mac? I mean, hella long, right? Quantum bye 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 bye. India versus Australia. I already watched this. This match was a banger. A Small Light is a great show, really. Let me see. A Small Light. Ooh, what is this? The inspiring real-life story of Miep Gies, who played a critical role in hiding Anne Frank and her family during the Nazi occupation in Amsterdam. Wait, that sounds sick. Wait, can we watch the trailer?
All right, listen to me. You can't go back. You can't run. And you can't show any fear. Let's do this.
I hear they're cracking down on the Jews. That must be scary.
We have to hide our allegiances, or else we're not gonna make it.
Wait, where do I see this actress?
What I'm asking you to do is
What was she
dangerous. If you get caught, you could get arrested, or even worse. I need your help hiding my family. You need to take your time to think it through.
No, I don't. What do I do? Can I help you?
Yeah, this looks really good. I can already tell, like the way it's shot.
So you're going to tell me?
He's my boss and my friend.
It's sad though, because we already know what happens to her, right? So it's like the ending is gonna be hella sad.
Ask me.
I didn't think I had to consult you before deciding to save a person's life.
People have lost everything, and still they resist. And I have to resist too.
We're gonna start a fire.
I need to remember that things were good so I can believe that they'll be good when this is over.
We have to choose when we fight them. We don't let them choose for us.
My only job is to
Auto-fire.
protect my family.
Did you hear that? The Queen wants my diary.
And I can't wait to see it.
Dude, get down!
Have your heads.
Yeah, this looks fire.
We can't save everyone.
I'm down.
But if I don't try,
It's on
I
Hulu
don't
and
think
National
I'll be able to live
Geographic.
with
Alright, I'm gonna
myself.
watch this. Thank you for the rec. I appreciate it. Wait, I want to know where I've seen this actress though. Which one is she? Is it Belle Powley? Yeah, what was she in? I've seen her. A Small Light. White Boy Rick. What? No, I've seen her in like. Where have I seen this girl? She was in something really famous. Belle Powley. Check her IMDb. English actress, that's fine. The Diary of a Teenage Girl, A Royal Night Out. I don't think I've seen any of these movies, but I swear I've seen this girl before. Was she in TV shows? Only 8 episodes, not a huge commitment. As a Jewish person who's well educated in the subject, it is really accurately portrayed. Okay, good to know. She was on Hot Ones. I don't know if I saw her on Hot... Oh, is she in the morning show? Because I've been watching that. Was she in this? Wait, why does this come up? The morning show, Belle... What was her name? Belle Powley? Belle Powley. Is she in the morning show? Who does she play? She is Claire Conway? Oh, yes. That girl. Yes, yes, yes. She was in the morning show. Okay, that's where I saw her. I've been watching the third season of Morning Show. That show is also really good. It's on Apple TV. Okay, cool. I like this. What was it called? A Small Light? On Hulu? Alright, bet. That's on Disney Plus too. Yeah, it's really highly rated. 100 on Rotten Tomatoes, and 8.4. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright, bet I'm down. Yo, what's up, Dougie? Congrats on passing the interview. Thanks, dude. Yeah, I appreciate it. I got many more, so hopefully I pass more, but I will keep you all updated, of course. Of course. You know what's crazy is that I thought starting a YouTube channel it was like scary because I put myself on the internet, right? So it's like prospective employers are gonna, I mean, if you just look me up, like, I mean, just look at this, right? Like if you go to incognito right now, like, I mean, just like watch this. Like if we go to incognito and I look up Namanh, not even just my first name, like this is literally me. And so I thought when a recruiter sees my resume or my LinkedIn, they look me up. I mean, the first thing that's gonna pop is this, and you click this, and like, what do you see? You see all my stuff, right? It's all here. It's like literally my entire life. I mean, you can see where I lived, my hair, like everything is here. That's scary. I mean, that's hella scary. But it actually, I don't know, it's not that bad. Like sometimes people will reach out and be like, hey, I saw your YouTube content. Are you looking for a job? And I'm like, I am, actually. Thanks for reaching out. So I don't know. I mean, sometimes I'm sure it doesn't help. Like sometimes people watch my stuff and they're like, nah, absolutely not. But it's been okay. It's not been that bad. So I don't know where I'm going with this, except maybe if you're thinking of starting something or pursuing something creative or something on the side and you're scared that like what will other people say, or like what if you won't be able to get a job again? Like I don't think it's true. I mean, don't do some weird stuff like, don't be an idiot online, because this stuff is gonna be online forever. Like I already know that. Like everything I've ever said exists on someone's hard drive somewhere, and it's gonna come back in like 15 years. So I can't control everything, but I try my best to be nice and normal. But yeah. Anyway, if you're thinking of doing something public, like I don't know, you shouldn't live your life in fear. Have I watched The Pursuit of Happiness or Interstellar? I have. They're both fantastic movies. Fantastic movies. Let's watch some MKBHD. I want to know what's new in tech these days. This guy's the GOAT. Can you trust Google? I don't know. Can we?
All right, we just gotta talk about something real quick. So, one of the biggest announcements at Google's fall event that they just had was that they're planning on supporting the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro with 7 years of OS, security, and feature drop updates. This is industry leading and super awesome. Here's a list of some of the other promises that have been made in the smartphone world for how long down the road they plan on supporting their devices.
Wait. How many years of OS upgrades? Okay, I see. So if you're like an Apple phone and iOS, whatever 21 comes out, you get it, right? For 6 years. So Google's 7. Okay, I mean, I guess Apple is 6 plus. So it's not that crazy, right? Okay, interesting.
In the world of Android, this is unprecedented. So clearly, this was one of the best announcements
in the world
of the entire
Android.
Google event. And we're finally happy to see that. But on the other hand, Google has a rich history of discontinuing products and abandoning projects and services that have a lot of people using them or depending on them. So how do we square those two things? Like, you would think that relying on a big company is better than relying on a small one as far as like supporting projects down the road. Like if I was gonna set up a new smart home, for example, I wouldn't.
Wait, what did you say? You would expect. What was that? You like we like big companies or we like small companies?
On a big company is abandoning projects and services that have a lot of people using them or depending on them. So how do we square those two things? Like you would think that relying on a big company is better than relying on a small one as far as like.
Oh, that makes sense. Because like a bigger company has more resources. And so if you're about to, buy a thermostat, you probably want to do Google Nest rather than some random startup, because you're going to have more community, more trust. But then the other point he made is really true. Like Google has like thousands of projects. So one day they might just be like, all right, screw Nest, we're done supporting it. And then you're just on the streets. If you have a Nest thermostat, like what are you going to do, right? But Google's also going to take hella long to build new stuff, but a startup's going to move really fast. So I guess pros and cons.
As far as like supporting projects down the road. Like if I was going to set up a new smart home, for example, I wouldn't want to set up one with like a tiny startup that I don't know if they're going to exist in 5 years, because then all my smart home stuff might not work when that company goes out of business. So you'd think a bigger, more established company would be more reliable. But it turns out the same problem can happen when you rely on a gigantic company like Google, because something you might get invested in or start using might just be like a small rounding error for them that they might just get rid of at any time. So I think
like they could just decide we don't actually want to support this project anymore. Screw you. And then what are you going to do with your like Nest thermostat? Like you're done, right? I mean, that's really valid. And I mean, Google's done this before. I mean, do you remember Google Glass? Do you remember? They've bought companies and then just like the company just disappears, like ceases to exist because they just want to get rid of competition. So I mean, this is super valid.
I think the thing that really summarizes this all well is I have a friend that says that Google is super willing to spin up new projects and be aggressive and innovative all the time. But if that new project doesn't either get 1 billion users or make $1 billion, then it is liable to get axed at any time. So that's why...
You know what's really interesting? I read about this somewhere. The way promotions and career growth at Google works is it also incentivizes you to ship a lot of new stuff. But it doesn't mean the stuff has to be good. So like, think about like, there's been, I don't know, what, 10 Google messaging apps, like Allo, Duo, Google Talk, Google Meet, Hangouts. And it's like, because each one of them was a separate project with separate senior engineers who shipped it and then got promoted to staff. And then the project was trash and then Google just scrapped it. But hey, the dude's a staff engineer now, so what does he care? And so Google's been notorious at just like moving really fast and building new stuff, but the stuff itself is not good. And it's like, you can move fast, but if what you're building is not going to be used or loved by people, then like, why are you building it? You know? And I think Apple does a pretty good job with this. Like Apple makes things that's just delightful, that people love. I mean, let's be honest, like the phones haven't changed in the last like 6 years. Like the 15 is basically the same as the 14, which is the same as the 13. And like part of that is Apple's fault that they have to ship every year. Like why not start releasing smartphones every 2 years instead of every year, right? Like what's the pressure? I mean, I get it. You got to make money. I understand. But for a lot of the other stuff, like when Apple ships it, it's like beautiful. I can't remember a thing that Apple scrapped in recent history. Like maybe Apple Car, or they're doing stuff like self-driving that they probably stopped. But most other things, like when they say they're going to ship it, they ship it. And it's beautiful and it kind of works. Yo, what's up?
Quite literally, just in the past few weeks, we have seen Google Domains, Google Jamboard, Google Podcasts, and Pixel Pass all killed. All active services with various amounts of users just destroyed, just killed. And the further back you go, the more there are. Like this, it feels like a running joke that Google will announce and kill a new messaging service every year, but just keep scrolling back. Like there's entire web pages dedicated to chronicling the long list of things that Google has killed. Remember Google Plus?
Wait, I'm so curious. What is this page? Wait, who maintains this? Some dude just like checks every couple days. He's like, hey, what did they kill this time? Damn, he's getting ad revenue? Legend. Who is the author on this? Probably not, right? It's obfuscated. Okay, yeah, we have no idea who built this. Maybe at the bottom it says who maintains it. Damn, it's a long list. What is this? Cody Ogden. Who's Cody? I like to stalk people. Cody Ogden. Who's this? Hello? Can I see your profile, please? I've been crafting on the web since 2001. I currently work with the incredible people building the future of web at Vercel. Oh, that's cool. He lives in San Francisco. Yo, that's sick. Oh, you can put time now on your GitHub? That's kind of cool. Cody Ogden dot. He has a website? Huh. That's cool. Good job, Cody. Respect. All right, I want to see what else was killed. Damn, this dude just maintains it. That's crazy. Hopefully it gets good ad revenue. Google Jamboard. In about a year? Oh, it's expiring? Damn. Google Podcasts. Like a fork stuck in the outlet. What? Dropcam. Was a line of Wi-Fi video. Wait, no way. Google Domains is dying? Assets sold and being migrated to Squarespace. Wait, really? Why? Wait, YouTube stories? Was this actually a thing? I don't remember if I ever did this. I might have posted a story at some point just to try it. Google Stadia. Oh wait, the cloud gaming? They're killing that too? Or they already killed it? Oh, they killed it. That's crazy. I forget half this stuff exists and then it just like, I don't know. Oh damn, I need to charge my computer before it dies. Like these Google products. Haha, see what I did there? See what I did there? Yo, they killed Google Hangouts? Oh yeah, they did, because now it's Google Meet or something, right? Google Surveys. Duo. Oh yeah, Duo was killed. Angular? Wait, what? What do you mean Angular? I thought... How do you kill Angular? Oh, they discontinued support. Oh, damn. Measure. Well, I guess, yeah, Apple has it, but Google doesn't anymore. Loon. Wait, I heard Loon. What was Loon? Oh, yeah, it was like the giving internet to remote parts of the world. Google Home Max. YouTube VR, Nest, Playground, Password Checkup, Hire by Google. What is this? The Google. So what? I'm curious. Like, what happens to the team? Like, I hope they don't get axed. Like, I hope they get reorged and put somewhere else. But like, imagine you join somewhere, you launch it, you're excited about it, and they're like, nope, actually this thing isn't making money anymore. Yeah, bro, I am examining the graveyard. I'm so curious now. Like, we're not even like a quarter of the way through. Like, Google Fiber TV, YouTube, Hangouts. All right, honestly, I haven't heard of many. Oh, Google Plus? Like, I've used all of these at some point, and I just stopped caring, I guess. All right, these are so old now that I don't even know if I ever used this. Actually, they're not even that old. Like, I was alive for all of this. Dodgeball. Where's Dodgeball, though? Most of them moved to cloud. Huh. Interesting. Well, check it out if you guys are curious about what's dying. I'm so surprised Google Domains is dying. I wonder why. It probably just wasn't making money. Okay.
Remember the Inbox app? Remember Hangouts? Remember Allo? Remember Chromecast Audio? Stadia? The list goes on. Now, when they kill these products or services, there are often various degrees to which they're able to replace them or support everyone that they just rug pulled. So like something like Google Play Music, okay, they were launching another service called YouTube Music, and it had a lot of congruent features, so they didn't have the need to have both, so they made it easy to port your entire library from one to the other. You'll still be missing some features, but at least you still have your whole library, so that was nice. And there's a similar thing with Google Podcasts. Like, it was a pretty solid podcast app.
Okay, I lied. Remember when I told you people reach out to me because of my YouTube channel? Bro, it's one of those automated, like, it's like, I'm reaching out because your work at YouTube looks great. Like, bro, you don't even like check my LinkedIn a little bit closer. You just look at the top thing and it's automated, like, bruh. Now I don't want to interview with this company. Why would I interview with this company? What do they even do? You know, part of me just wants to live stream everything, show you every company, dox everybody, but your boy needs to get paid, man. I need to pay rent. What is this? No daily stand-ups. Okay. Async stand-up, okay. I'm intrigued. The company only has 3 meetings per week. That's cap. That's what they like to say, and then, you know, before you know it, they're going to have like 50 meetings, and you're going to be like, oh my God, growing pains, we couldn't help it. They use Discord instead of Slack? These are hot takes. Blah, blah, blah. They use Notion. Okay. Whatever, sure. Summary. I don't know how I feel about this company, honestly. I'm trying to be really selective, you know, because like you can interview everywhere, but like I don't care about half of these companies. Screw half. I don't care about like 95% of these companies. Like most companies are trash. This is like a fact. Just like look, most content creators are trash. Like if you told me, Namanh, your stuff is trash, I'd be like, you know what? Like compared to all the YouTubers out there, like yeah, maybe I'm not like that good, you know. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to get better. But just like most content creators are trash, most of anything is trash. Like most chefs are bad, most restaurants are bad. Just the same way most companies are bad. So like, you know what the one nice thing though is, I think in New York, you have to post your salary, like range. So they can't BS with me. I can like just go and be like, look, like is it gonna be peanuts or what? I don't care how you hire. Can you just tell me what the actual like salary is, please? Benefits and perks. All right, here we go. The benefit is no meetings. Like, come on now. We want you to grow with us. Yeah, obviously. All right, what's the interview? Let's see what the interviews are like. Work on a small project. Okay, bro. I hate when company. You know the whole like, oh, we don't do lead code. We do a take-home challenge. That might take you 4 to 6 hours. Like, are you going to pay me? Are you going to pay me for 4 to 6 hours of work? Like, I'm not doing this for fun. Like, I'm not trying to, like, build a project, a small... Like, I'd rather do a leak code and fail it in 45 minutes than get an 8-hour take-home. Like, what the hell? Nah, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I don't really want to do that. Can you tell me the salary range, though? They're literally not going to tell me the salary range. Competitive salary. Wait, what? They can pay in USD or Bitcoin? Is that a red flag? If a company can pay in Bitcoin, is that a red flag? Was the Java interview OOP? It wasn't. It was just like writing Java in like an existing code base. All right, they don't cover 100% healthcare. Nope, not applying. Health is wealth, very important. And a company's not going to cover 100%, then that's probably a no from me. Oh, let me be honest. Like, I'm very privileged. Like, just to be able to say that, like, oh, I'm not going to consider a company if they don't cover 100% of my health benefits. Like, I understand. Disclaimer, I'm in a very privileged position. I'm very blessed to have opportunities with companies that can do it. But look, I'm not gonna like skimp on the one thing I think is very important. Like, honestly, don't give me free lunch, but you better give me free health insurance, 100% coverage. All right, well, that company was kind of a bust. Sad. Sad. All right, MKBHD Marquez, tell me more.
App, but they again wanted to bring those things into YouTube Music, so they've worked on an import process and some tutorials for that. And like, it's a good effort. It's good to at least try to do that sort of thing, but it's not always perfect. Google Jamboard, you might not have heard of Google Jamboard, but weirdly enough, the Pro Ultimate Frisbee team I played on, New York Empire, uses Google Jamboard for like our scouting documents, for like writing everything down and players and tendencies and all that sort of thing. And it's gone now, or at least by the end of the year it'll be gone. So I guess we'll just find something else to use. Google Stadia, the gaming service, only lasted a couple of years. The only saving grace with this one is when it got axed, they would at least let you export your save data so you could use it on another platform. And then they refunded every Stadia user for every game. But again, there are no alternatives.
Really?
Fun fact, and this is a true story, I had literally just switched.
Wait, so if you bought Stadia, I guess you have to pay for the console and the controller, but then any game you bought, they refunded. That's pretty sick. So I guess you could just play all the games. I mean, you wouldn't know it, but you basically played all the games for free.
mkbhd.com from Squarespace to Google Domains. It was like a big domain transfer process that took like 24 hours, and I was like nervous to do it, but I finally did it. And then within a week, Google killed Google Domains and sold all of those domains back to Squarespace. So there are no Google domains anymore. But maybe the craziest recent one would be Pixel Pass. Pixel Pass is crazy. So if you haven't heard of it, it was basically a subscription plan that was launched alongside the Pixel 6. And the idea was you sign up and then you pay $45 a month. You get the brand new phone and then you get YouTube Premium, YouTube Music, a bunch of Google One storage, and some other stuff.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Together. And then you get a new Pixel for free every 2 years. Which, I mean, sounds pretty sweet, right? If you use a bunch of Google services.
My mom and my grandma needed new phones. And like, you know, the iPhones are hella expensive and like they don't need that much, you know. So the Pixel phones aren't bad. So I think I got them both the Pixel phones, and then I think they gave me some like intro offer where you could get like storage and stuff. I don't remember if I actually got this. I think I might have gotten this for 3 months, but I guess they axed this too. The Pixel Plus plan or whatever. Damn.
Every 2 years, which I mean, sounds pretty sweet, right? If you use a bunch of Google services, they're all packaged together. The overall price would be a little bit lower than if you bought all of these things individually. And then who wouldn't want to upgrade to a new Pixel phone roughly once every 2 years? Sounds pretty sweet.
Bundle.
And then exactly 22 months after they announced it,
22 months,
so a month and a half before the first upgrade cycle, they quietly killed the program, and nobody got their free phone upgrade because they killed it right before they were supposed to. And there have been no announced alternatives.
Wait, that's fraud. So the whole thing was if you paid it for like 12 months or something, when the new Pixel came out, you could just trade it in for the better one. But they killed it 10 months into the next year. Or it might have been every 2 years. Oh yeah, upgrade after 2 years. That's messed up. That's actually messed up. Like, how is there not a lawsuit for that? There's got to be, like, is there a lawsuit actually? Yo, Assad, I didn't get the job, just passed the first round. So we got on-sites coming up hopefully soon. Google, what is it? Google Pixel Plus lawsuit? Is there a lawsuit? What is this? Oh, this is just a Pixel lawsuit. Okay, I guess not. That's just like that.
The list goes on and on and on. But
right?
Clearly, this type of behavior erodes your trust in anything Google. Me personally, I was thinking about maybe switching to Google Fi. There's a bunch of other carriers out there. I was gonna maybe try it. The integration with the Pixel seems cool, but I cannot be sure that it'll still exist in a year or two.
Like, I mean, I agree. So like Phoenix, like I agree. I understand why Google did it because then they don't have to, you know. But it's like it's a matter of trust and ethics. It's like the company's brand. Like now I know Google, like why would I buy a Google bundle of something if they're just gonna like screw me later? Like I don't trust it anymore. It's all just like a scammy thing to do. But yeah, I mean, I agree. It's like a purely business decision. That's capitalism, you know? It's like, it's all about the bottom line.
Or two. So I'm not gonna do it. So my point is, launching ambitious new things, which is what Google does, is easy. Supporting those ambitious new things for a long time is hard. And this new announcement of 7 years of software updates for the Pixel is the most ambitious software support plan we've ever seen in the smartphone world.
But
and that's what makes it so awesome and so hard.
Do I trust that? Do I trust that? They said 7 years of updates. But maybe in 2 years, they'll be like, actually, sorry, we changed our mind. It's only going to be 4 years. Like, what are you going to do? Like, sue them? I guess you could sue them technically, right? If they promise 7 years and then you could... Yeah, so if there's like if they said it, then I guess you could technically sue them, but it's like, it's all about trust.
And so hard to believe at the same time. Like if I was at Google, honestly, watching this, I would really want to make this promise come true. I think it's a great promise, clearly. I hope more companies see Google's announcement and try to follow and do the same thing, because making people's devices more useful and more secure for a longer time is a win for everyone, for the users, for security, for the environment, if people use their phones longer. So like if this pans out, the phones people are buying today will be up to date till 2030, which is an eternity in the tech world. That is so sick. So I want to give them credit for an awesome promise, but it's a promise, and Google breaks promises all the time. That's like, where we're at right now. I want it to be real, but
I don't believe it.
Will the Pixel even be around in 7 years? We don't know. The Nexus program only lasted 5 years before they killed that and then started Pixel stuff. And we are on year.
Phone? Oh, they had Google Note and stuff too, right? What is Nexus? It was a streaming media player. Damn, I feel old. Actually, maybe young because I don't remember this. It was like it was like one of their phones. Okay.
Year 8 of the Pixel now. Will it last 7 more years? I don't even know. But then actually this also ties into another bit of a mini trend we've observed lately that I want to talk about, which is new announcements from tech companies that have features that are coming soon. And this isn't just Google, this has happened across the board, but this has happened where a device will come out, but then the new features aren't available at launch, so reviewers aren't even able to test the new features until well after the thing is in the wild. You know, Google just did this with the Pixel. The video boost feature they talked about.
This is messed up too. When they're like, you go to one of their big conferences like Google I/O or whatever, Apple, WWDC, and they're like, look at this amazing thing. And you're like, oh, wow, I'm so happy. And then you go buy the phone. It's like, no, you got to wait like 4 months. It's like still in beta. It's not done yet. And you're like, bro, I just bought this thing because of this new feature I really liked, but now I have to wait 4 months. And then they just, like all these companies will be like holidays and they'll just like delay. And like a year later, the new phone comes out and you're like, I'm still waiting for this feature. This stuff's just making me angry. We got to watch something lighter after this because I'm getting mad at technology.
On stage, that they said is coming later. Video Night Sight is also not available at launch. That's coming later. But like I said, not just Google. Apple's done this actually many times with iPhone camera features. And they've done it again this year with a bunch of stuff. The Journal app on the iPhone is still not there, coming later this year. The AirDrop transfer via the internet feature is also not in the phones yet. That's still coming later this year.
That's sick. I didn't even know you could do that, but I guess it's not there yet, so you definitely can't do it yet. But that was sick. You see that? Instead of having to like, go to AirDrop and pick the person and like do it, you can just bring your phone right next to each other and then it would just like do the animation. That's kind of sick. I like that. That is sick.
Year. And the double tap feature for the Apple Watch, which is one of the biggest new features of the entire watch, was announced on stage, but it's still in beta a month later and coming soon. I've just noticed a bunch of these over the past couple months. It kind of feels like, I tweeted about this, it kind of feels like the gaming industry precedent where a lot of gaming studios will release like a half-finished game, kind of just get it out there and maybe test the waters, and if it hooks, then maybe they'll throw a bunch of patches at it and updates at it. But releasing half-finished games is just not great. So I definitely don't love this trend for tech and for smartphones and hardware, but for slightly different reasons. One, just because it makes them much harder to review if the new feature is not out and we can't test it, and then we review what's out, but then a big new feature comes later. Tough. But I guess I'll just stick with the thing that I've said from the beginning, which is never buy a new piece of tech based on the promise of future software updates. Just don't do it. Just buy it for what it is today. And if there's stuff coming later and it actually gets delivered on the promise, some are better at delivering that than others, then it's a bonus. It's an extra value add for the thing that you are already happy with. But never buy it just based on the promise of future updates. So that's it. I just had some thoughts I wanted to get out into the world. Hopefully Google and Apple and others are listening. Hopefully they're able to deliver on these promises, but also hopefully they're able to deliver on things that they promise at launch when they can. And we'll keep an eye on Pixel. I'm testing the phones. I'll be reviewing them. Subscribe to see the review when it comes out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.
Marquez, man. What a legend. You know what? My friend is streaming right now. I don't even have a Twitch account, but can I?
If I just don't look at it.
One sec. Pause. Can I sign up for this? Already a Twitch user. Wait, why can't I like?
Shit. Okay, this is looking.
No,
like...
stop talking. I wanna go say hi to my friend. Log in. I don't think I have an account. All right, let's make one. Namanh, Kapur, password. Can you autofill this, please? Oh, one sec, everybody. Let's see. I want to make a new item. I want to make a login. I want this to be Twitch, Namanh, Kapur, and then create a password. Copy. And I want it to be on Twitch. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna like. Fine, we can choose some interests. No, I don't even want to watch Twitch. All right, sure. Let's watch some Modern Warfare, some GTA, and some Fortnite. Wow, my favorites. Oh my god. All right, let's go see what my friend's up to. You guys know Nang? He makes fire content on YouTube. Here he is. 4 viewers. All right, can I say hi to him?
I got distracted. We're making this thing. I also gotta make sure that this doesn't necessarily mess up the productivity of the project, because the project is more important than any. It's most important for me, because we gotta get this done. It will make money.
Yo, Phoenix, I use
it's a success.
I use 1Password.
So that's the plan.
Same. Nang is my goat. Let's go. Nang, it can give me attention.
I gotta crop this. Crop.
Damn. Oh, TwitchCon's happening. Yo, am I a live streamer now? Should I go to TwitchCon? Am I eligible? I guess I don't use Twitch, but
That sounds pretty good. Ooh, looks good.
1Password is, I think technically it's subscription based. Everything's SaaS these days.
Nice. Perfect.
Welcome to the chat room.
Then we go here.
Wait, what can you do? I've never used Twitch. Is it embarrassing? I've literally never used Twitch.
Left.
How do I?
Like,
can I don't want to buy TwitchCon tickets. How do I? Can I send emotes or something?
Maybe 40.
What's up, Trash? Yeah, thanks, man. I passed the first round. I gotta get better
46.
at. I gotta do the onsite now.
Oh, I see what's going on.
Just hopped on. How's the interview? It was good, man. I passed the first round, so
it's like monster.
Next up is going to be the on-site, so we'll see how I do on that. Dude, this guy still hasn't said yes to me.
What was it?
Let me just text him.
Huh, it was, but that doesn't look.
There's no way he's gonna check text if he's not even checking his.
Not to me, at least. We have to also need to make it black color. And maybe like classic. Yo,
let's go. He finally saw it.
Thank you for understanding the vision, Hearts. Appreciate you. Ezrez, thank you. Monsterite Classic. Yeah, see, I need to do a better job of looking at the chat. I don't know. That is one thing I need to work on.
This guy is just not reading his chat. I don't think he still acknowledged us. That's so funny. You know what? I respect it. Look at this guy hustling. He's building some actual stuff. He's doing some really cool stuff. He's doing like AI ebook generation. Imagine if you're like,
I think I'm fine with not it being like the exact.
If you're like, yo, read me or like write me a book that is like, I don't know, like Harry Potter. It'll like write you a book. Isn't that dope?
This looks.
But yes, show Nang some love. His stuff is super cool. Honestly, such a great guy.
And if you remember,
super inspired by him.
It's white here, but when we turn it into a PDF, it turns black. So do not fret.
NNJ Publishing. Nang and
this.
What's the J for?
And what we want to do, first check on the book that we're writing. So I made the book. Let's see if our tabs.
All right, we'll come back to Nang. Wait, now I'm on Twitch. I'm a power user. Chat identity. What is this? Okay, honestly, I don't know how to do any of this stuff. That's fine. Kai Sanat, dude, the OG. What is he doing? Is intended for certain audiences. Dude, look at this chat. Look, Jesus. That is so fast. That's crazy. How many people are online right now? 52,000 people are online? Yo, what's up, Ilamer? I appreciate it, dude. That's insane.
It has to be a.
All right, we'll come back to this.
It has
guy.
to be in parentheses.
Nang, good luck, bro.
So that's what I'm saying. One
Good
thing we
luck.
can do.
Grind
The reasoning.
hard.
I have no idea. It's something how it. It's something that's weird. I
okay,
don't have a good
let's
explanation.
pause this. We'll come back to him. Yo, what's up, Gabriel? What editor is he using? VS Code, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, it looks like VS Code. With some like really dope with some really dope like theme or something. Wait, what happened? Is he frozen? Yeah, he was frozen.
Okay, so now because we made this code super.
Damn, this man's written hella code. All right, cool. We'll come back to him. Let's just mute this guy. Okay, cool. What else can we do? What else can we do? How long have I been streaming for? Hour 30 minutes. My roommate's in New York and he's on call. You guys know what on call is? It's like when you're responsible for all your company services 24/7. So he's hella stressed. So I asked him to hop on stream and he was like, imagine me being home alone on a Friday night. And I was like, all right, man, you don't have to come for me like that. God damn. I would say we could do some leak code, but honestly, there's just no way I can write code right now. So maybe we just call it, actually. Well, first I want to know if I can get Nang's attention. I'm gonna call this stream right after Nang responds to me. Where is he?
Service, which is very. It's like a lot of work that we need to do. Maybe I'll just add one more cover.
What's this chat going?
This is pretty good.
Hi Nang, how does an EI generator work? Hey, how you doing? I don't hear the music. I was vibing. Nang, and then it was just me spamming the chat. Yo, David, man. Appreciate it, bro. See ya. Remember to watch a small light and thank me later. I will, Jimmy. I'll see you on the stream hopefully soon.
Oh, I was supposed to put something on this in the background. 1 second.
All right, this guy's studying hard. Honestly, yeah, I might just call it. Thanks everyone for tuning in as usual. Hopefully you've been enjoying the streams. Let me know if you have any feedback. I'm still trying to get better and like figure all this stuff out. So, but yeah, this has been fun. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I will try to wake up at 3:30 to watch India versus Pakistan cricket match if I can. I probably won't wake up because you know me. But take care. I will see you very soon. Nothing but love. Have a great weekend. But I'll probably see you tomorrow. Peace.